Welcome to Maic Kaudrian Estate, a premium CofO buy and build landed property strategically located in Ibagwa Nike, just off the Enugu Nsukka Expressway. This is Enugu from a growth and investment perspective, accessible, secure, and positioned for long-term value. As you take in this area view, notice the well laid out estate environment and its proximity to already developed neighborhood. Maic Kaudrian Estate is close to Elim Estate and Vivian Estate, placing it right within an active and fast-growing residential axis of Enugu. One of the strongest advantages of this location is accessibility. From the estate gate, it is just a minute drive to the Enugu-Nsukka Expressway, making movement to town, schools, businesses, and other parts of Enugu seamless. The estate is also about 10 minutes from Nike Lake Resort, a major landmark that continues to attract infrastructure, hospitality, and lifestyle development to this axis. Now let's talk about what truly set this estate apart. Maic Kaudrian Estate is a buy and build property. That means once you complete your purchase, you can start building immediately. There are no waiting period, no land banking restrictions, and no uncertainty. Whether you are planning your personal residence, a rental property, or a future retirement home, this estate gives you full control and flexibility from day one. Each plot here measures 500 square meters, offering ample space for modern residential designs, bungalows, duplexes, or service apartment depending on your vision and approved guidelines. Another critical factor when buying land in Nigeria is title security. This property comes with a Certificate of Occupancy, a CofO, which is one of the most recognized and secure land title in Enugu State. For buyers in Nigeria and especially Nigerians in the Diaspora, this provides peace of mind knowing that your investment is legally protected and verifiable. At 6 million naira per plot, Maic Kaudrian Estate presents a solid opportunity for both end users and investors. End users benefit from a calm residential environment with excellent road access, while investors are positioned in an area experiencing steady appreciation due to infrastructural growth and demand along the Enugu-Nsukka corridor. This is not just land, it is a strategic real estate decision rooted in location, documentation, and usability. If you are looking for a genuine buy and build estate with a secure title, strong location advantages, and long-term value, Maic Kaudrian Estate deserves your attention. Plots are limited. To reserve a plot, get detailed information, or schedule a physical inspection, call or WhatsApp the number showing on your screen.